Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best ergonomic keyboards.
Starting at number 5.
Perixx Perky Board 512 Ergonomic Split Keyboard. The Perky Board is among the more unusual looking keyboards on this list, but despite its unconventional shape, it's a great choice if you have plenty of room on your desk. It's about 19 inches long and a little over 9 deep. It has an integrated palm rest and laser-printed keys, which Perixx claims will keep the printing from wearing off quickly. Similar to the fellows, the Perky Board has multimedia keys at the top of the keyboard that provide quick access to 7 functions: browse, email, volume, plus or minus, mute, sleep mode, and search.
Coming at number 4.
Kinesis Advantage 2 Ergonomic Keyboard. The Advantage 2 might be the ugliest keyboard I've ever seen, but after trying it I can also say it could be the most comfortable I've ever tried. The manufacturer says that deep key wells allow your hands and fingers to be placed in a natural, relaxed position. You can also remap the keys to suit your own work style. The keyboard uses premium mechanical switches that produce a satisfying click when you press down.
At number 3.
Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard for Business. I'm a big fan of Microsoft's hardware designs, and this keyboard doesn't disappoint. Its elegant, futuristic shape will enhance the look of any desk. This keyboard isn't just about aesthetics, though. It's also among the most comfortable keyboards I have tried, with smooth key presses and a shape that keeps my wrists at a neutral angle. A cushioned palm rest provides wrist support, and a domed keyboard shape reduces wrist pronation, claims Microsoft. The one downside is that the keys don't depress as deeply as other models, which might bother some users. An included separate number pad is a nice bonus if you enter a lot of information into spreadsheets.
Number 2 of my list.
Logitech Ergo K860 Ergonomic Keyboard. The K860 is my top choice for anyone who writes long documents or spends hours pounding away at the keyboard. This model offers comfort and adjustment with tilt legs that can be set to 0, -4, and -7 degrees. It also has silky smooth keys and a comfy built-in wrist rest covered in a non-abrasive fabric. This model is compatible with both Macs and PCs and can be hooked up with either a Bluetooth connection or USB cable.
And number 1.
Kinesis Freestyle 2 Ergonomic Keyboard with VIP 3 lifters. The Freestyle 2 might be the most comfortable keyboard I've ever tried. The highly adjustable shape means that this can be positioned in a way that reduces the strain on your wrists. I loved using the low-force keys, which made typing a breeze. The only problem with this keyboard is that it's not the most attractive model on the market and doesn't offer any lighting, unlike more gaming-oriented competitors.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.